Do you share the wealth to supersize grow your business? Sharon House from here in Texas. And so I've got a Texas hat, of course, like passing the hat to do a collection or to contribute to something. This idiom, share the wealth, is part of a gentleman by the name of Huey Long from Louisiana, great state of Louisiana. He was a governor and then later U.S. Senator from Louisiana. And he, during the Great Depression, put forth a share our wealth plan where it was a plan that was designed to spread out the wealth amongst the people in America. So kind of a socialist plan, sounds like to me. But he had an idea that we should share the nation's wealth among the people so that people wouldn't be struggling so much during the Great Depression. Now, I don't know how far he got with his plan, but it did get him elected a U.S. Senator. But I do believe that we need to share in our profitability and make the world a better place, make the communities and the people we care about and the world a better place as part of growing and building and supersizing our business. To share one's money, goods, etc., with other people, to do donations, to contribute not just necessarily of our money or our goods and services, but of our skills and our abilities to help set the example and make the world a better place. It's up to each and every one of us to decide how or if we're going to do that. There are a lot of companies, I think of that Tom's, where I think it's the sock and underwear company. I could be wrong, but for every pair of socks and underwear they sell, they donate one to a homeless shelter. There's a lot of companies that have, giving plans and giving programs that match whatever people in their organization give or however they participate in different charitable or giving type situations. So curious to see, how do you feel about sharing the wealth? Do you have something in your organization that you do already in order to make the world a better place? Share that in the comments below so we can all learn from one another. Otherwise, just remember, we are in business, especially most entrepreneurs and small business owners I know, to make our lives better and to have more freedom, to make the lives of those we love and care about better by being able to participate with them. And that's we're focusing on contribution this month for this year's annual challenge, the Get Your Goals annual challenge. So it's all about contribution goals today. And we're applying our goal process. But it gets me thinking about, my income comes from my businesses. How am I sharing that? How am I spreading the wealth, sharing the wealth with other people that need a helping hand? I think it's important that we all do that. All right, have an awesome day. Share in the comments below how you do this, and I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom, what it means, where it comes from, because I honestly didn't know where share the wealth came from, and it comes from Huey Long from Louisiana. So Louisianans know how to share the wealth. All right, have a great day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.